All right, let's start with the indexes. SPY continues up. We see that we had this little hammer that we had going on here, and now we have an engulfing pattern. We want to see if it follows, breaks above that 188, and we're looking good. You see this downtrend line has been broken. So now it's, time to look for the longs at the end of the day. You have the QQQ. Same thing. It didn't really close at the high of the day, so we want to see it get above this 90.66, and that would be a better sign for us. Let me see if there's anything that I'm not seeing. Yeah, so basically it's above this 90.66, and it looks really good. A nice hammer formation with some higher volume on that hourly chart as well. So we have the higher lows in place. Let's see if we can break above this high, which is 90.82, and it continues to test the previous high. We got the Russell. Russell just needs to break above this 119.74 level. The volume is a little bit concerning, but we want to see if the price can follow through up and go from there. We got the diamond giving a nice engulfing pattern as well, right off the 50-day support. Let's see if it could break today's high and basically get above this 63.64 level. We had some good things today, some good movement today. So I'll start with a couple names that I think should be on the watch list. We got FAS, Financial Bulls look awesome. You got Qualcomm. Qualcomm looks awesome for tomorrow. If we can get some follow through. Buffalo Wild Wings, March Madness. These guys, if they could continue up, they came off the highs of the day, but if they can recapture this area, it definitely looks good above this area right here. We also have Nike. Nike giving some type of hammer formation, so if it can break above these highs, or if you're aggressive, you can get above the high of 79.27. That one looks good as well. Let me give one more. We have Car, Avis. That one could be just setting up for a nice flag formation. Going from here, you see a little tight flag coming right here. If you guys can't see it, but just basically right there. So if we see that flag pop up above the highs in the middle, which is, damn it, I'll get it right. Okay, 48.92. We look good for the upside as well. Microsoft, of course, that was from yesterday. I should have took it, didn't take it. Was in some other stuff, and that got me in. A couple of names that I looked at that got me. I was in Intel. That one did pretty well today. I was also in the Baidu short, which I got out too early, and I could have caught some of this move because there's a lot of things that are weak on that tech side, which is kind of weird. You had Facebook, that one's weak. You had, again, we talked about it yesterday, Tesla. That one is still in these lower highs, but if it could break above this trend line, we could definitely see some follow through. But again, they're going to defend this area with their life right here, so we want to see how that breaks down and goes from there. But Solar City, that one broke down as well. You have Google didn't join the party as well. I mean, these things look a little bit weak on very, very up days, which was kind of concerning. You had Tiffany as well. That one looks weak. And you have Pandora. Pandora can be, let's see if it could clear above this 50 and 200. Bullish MACD, so this kind of can be one of the better names. But we definitely want to see what's going on. But the financials did very well. Bank of America crushed it. Wells Fargo crushed it. Citigroup crushed it. Goldman Sachs, okay. So we'll see what's going on. We have Morgan Stanley. That one did well. We got Prudential. That one did well as well. So these things are recapturing their 10-day, and they're having bullish MACD. So just going to look for some type of flag so that we can get to the upside and go from there. So we had some names even on the up day that were kind of like, really? I mean, look at Apple. I mean, Apple didn't close that well. I mean, the volume is actually decreasing, but if it follows through, I mean, look at this intraday chart. You can see they, ran down and then pretty much just kept these low highs are definitely still, right here. So that's something to be concerned about. And if you want to look at that price level below, you can see that that's pretty much right there. So is it going to hold it? I'm not sure, but it shouldn't close at the lower days with such a great day today. So just keep those things into consideration. So trade them well.